Hey everyone, welcome back to this beginner friendly HTML tutorial. In today's video, we are covering one of the most important features of web development, HTML links and anchor tags. So in this video, we will learn about creating basic links, open them in a new tabs, adding email and phone links, creating internal jump links, and even how links behave without an href. So now let's open up VS Code and get hands on. Here I have already created an file anchor.html. So let's create a basic boilerplate template. So to do that, we'll say exclamatory shift tab. So here we have the boilerplate template. I'll just say HTML links demo. Now inside this body, I will just add h1 tag which says HTML anchor tags and links. So this is a basic HTML5 page and we will be writing all our code inside this body. So now we'll take one paragraph tag and inside this we'll just say visit. After that we'll add one anchor tag and we'll say href. Href is hyperlink reference where we need to point. So now I will just point to google.com and here the text we need to show on the browser where user can click. So we'll just say to search the web. So the text between this anchor tag is the clickable part. So now let's save this and preview this in browser. So right click, open with live server. Let's go here. So we have this to search the web as a clickable part, and below here you can see it's showing the https.google.com. If I click on this, it will go to google.com. So let's go back. Now by default this links opens in the same tab, but what if you want it to open in a new tab? So for that we have a attribute called target for the anchor tag. So here we can add target equal to blank. So it tells the browser to open the link in a new tab. It's great for external links so user can stay on your site. So let's go back and click on search web and it will open in new tab. For security and performance, it's a good idea to also add rel equals to no opener, no referrer. So no opener prevents the new page from accessing your page's window.opener, which helps avoid phishing links. So this is mainly for security reasons. Alright, now let's move to email links. So we can also make a link that opens the default email app using mail to attribute. Let's say we have one p tag and it says email us at, and I will write a tag and inside this href equals to, inside this we have to say mail to colon, let's say support at example.com. Here we need to specify the email ID and here I will just give the same email ID. We'll just copy and paste it. So save it and open here. So we have email us at support@example.com. If I click on this, so it will ask how do you want to open this. So if I click on Outlook, click on OK. So the Outlook application will be opening. Here it's not configured. So in the to address part, this support@example.com is pre-filled. We can also pre-fill subject and body like this. So in mail to, after this email ID, we can just specify question mark subject equals to help and symbol, body equals to please, and for space we have to use percent contact me. So this is how we pre-filled the subject and the body. It's not percent 20 because percent 20 will add the space. Here I am not able to show because I have not configured Outlook or any other Gmail applications. But if you click on this support@example.com, by default whatever the application you have set, it will open and it will have the mail to, that is to field will be filled with support@example.com, and subject and body will be filled with help and please contact me. Similar to this, we can add phone links. For example, we can just say call us at, and we'll add a tag similar to that, href equals to, here instead of mail to we have tel tag, and plus 919999, and here we'll add that plus 919999. So let's save this and open here. So if you open this website on mobile and click on call us option, mobile's default caller will be opened. Here it's asking open pick an app. So here I don't have any app for opening the call option. So this is super useful for smartphone. Clicking this on a smartphone will open the dialer with the number pre-filled. Super useful for contact pages. Now let's see the internal page links. Jump to sections. So let's say we have p tag, that is paragraph tag, and also I have the a tag. Here I have href equals to hash about. It's not hash about, it's an id about. We will see all this when we are learning about CSS. I will just add jump to about section. Somewhere after the page we have, so let's copy all this and add it here, add it 2 times. After this we have let's say h2 about us, and also we have id equals to about. Here we have p tag, we are web development company. Let's save this and open the browser. So let's add some more content for creating a scroll, otherwise we'll not be able to see this effect. So I will just add 3-4 times and go back. As you can see, we have got scroll. Now somewhere in the middle I have added the jump to about section. So here I have added the jump to about section, and below we have about us section. So if I click here, it will automatically scroll where that about us section is there. Now we'll see what will happen if you create an anchor tag without href, that is this is link, this is my link. So let's save this, go there. So it doesn't do anything. So developers sometimes use this temporarily or with JavaScript, but from a UX and accessibility standpoint, avoid it if it's not interactive. So we can also link to other files like PDFs or downloadable resources too. For example, inside this a tag we can add href equals to add the file path. For example, files my resume.pdf, and this will be download resume. So if I save this and go here, there is a hyperlink created. Click on this. So it says cannot get files my resume because we don't have that file, but we can access that using href. So now let's review what we have learned so far. So use href to create links. Use target equal to blank to open in a new window. Use mail to option opens the email app. TEL for mobile. Use ID for internal page navigations. Use download for links to files. And don't forget to add REL no opener no referrer for security, which we added here. Anchor tags are the foundation of the web, used for navigation, contact, downloads and more. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support what I do here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, happy coding.